Empunzi eryatangwa refugee settlement land wahati abantu ba Bukinda bari mu mbera mbi munonga eyo muntu yakubera atakwenda kurabamu okukira munonga yali omunsi ye ekintu kyo kyagemesereza abany'eishengyero abari ku mu district ya Kikuube kwimikiramu kwisya Gavumenti hamwe n'ebindi bitongore ebikiri kukwataho kwimikiramu kujuna abantu ba Bukinda abo kuba amagara go barumu n'amabi munonga abany'eishengyero aba bagira ngo bagire mu offices zone mu Gavumenti izuru kwatwaho konka bakatunga gagarukwa mukona kandi abantu ba Bukinda beyongera kuba mu mbera mbi munonga.
Informed the parliament about this issue. We have informed all the stakeholders in this country. Up to now we are not heard.
So many things that they are missing. They don't have medical care. We have very young children here, some of them 1 week, 2 weeks. People have been dying at the district among these evictees. You find that we don't have where to bury these people that die. Now we are here with these people. Some are sick, some don't have medical care. We don't know what to do. We are stuck. This is the time government should come in. Government should come in. All parastatals, the government should really help us. This is an emergency case. This is the time for government to show that really they are there for their people.
Honorable Florence Natumanya uri omukwijutsya mutara aba district ya Kikuube hamwe na Francis Kazini uri omukwijutsya abahaguzi county batangara munonga uko muntu ari kubasa kubera empunjo mu ihanga lye.
Finding that they are trying to create and acquire land for refugees from other countries, but they are creating refugees within our own country. We have over 2,000 people who are stranded. If they can take care of these refugees coming from other countries, why can't they take care of Ugandans?
Otherwise, we have seen the government settling so many people. This one is not a big number that the government can fail to resettle. Maybe can give them advice. They have already given. We have land here. We have land. The government has land elsewhere. Let them do that. Otherwise, as the leaders, we feel that very soon the money lenders are going to take us to prison. Because feeding these people is beyond our capacity.
Abany'eishengyero aba banjira bashobora kwa abantu ba Bukinda wahati bafa bazikwa Kenya meisha kandi abandi bindikira abasinzi utireho no kuba bashumarunkunku abo kuba bakabingwa mu itaka ryabo mbuhenda biragiro kandi ahibaro wahati taine tamageze kibar kubasa koraho
themselves and died. They killed themselves. They hanged themselves. People have resorted to drinking. People have resorted to all kinds of things, rape, and young girls of 12 years, 14 years are getting pregnant. Government is not helping. We are not finding any help. So we are calling upon government. We are calling Ministry of Lands. We are calling upon OPM to come in and help these people.
Since they came, we have registered 80 days. And you know when a person dies, what it means. You have to struggle to get a place where to buy that person and these other ones. So the situation we are in now, as leaders, we cannot manage these people. These people, they were elected by the government. It is the government to settle them.
Honorable Florence hamwe na Honorable Kazini bagira ngo bwahati benda kwandikira kitongore kirukwatwa hampunjo munsi yona cha United Nations High Commission for Refugees kubamanyisa kwemirimo yabo mu ihanga lya Uganda bonabonesa abantu ba Uganda obunensi yona ekatimanya
organizations to help us. Number one, NGOs that have to come in and help these people. We are writing to them. We are also writing to OPM, even UNHCR. Me and my colleague, the member of parliament for Buhaguzi, we are writing to so many other offices. Even OPM, we are trying to see these people today, they don't have food. We have tried to feed them a few days, but they also don't have food. They don't have where to sleep. We need emergency help.
Abantu ababinjiro mu itaka lyabo yashobora Sky TV amagaragara kuraba mu bwahati
limu harohe mibu abantu bayinenjara abantu bakubonabona norwekyo nkusaba government asore kuyamba abana Uganda bakuaho abana Uganda bakufwa kandi abame baba parliament kwihatwije office ya RDC nibo baturorerera mu nibatwamwe nka kamera myezi nkesatu na RDC nawe natwamwe kamera nke myezi esatu chonka government teneke yakatukoleraga nka government bakaragira minister Hiraroneke atuletera kamere kyonkeki yakozira akamera kakahimba nakakatwara mu nsuhuki itwa buyambi obutalenga obukoraki kubutunga.
Abantu ba Bukinda bakabingwa mu itaka lyabo mwaka gwa 2013 ofisi ya Prime Minister ekwatanise na polisi hamwe n'iheri hange lya UPDF babinga abantu abarkwingana emitwaro mukaga hamataka gabo barikubazina n'okutahirira itaka ly'empunzi lya Kyangwali Refugee Settlement Land. Omukwezi kwa kabiri omwaka gwa 2022 abantu abarkwingana kanana abaruma abakazi abana hamwe n'abagurusi hamwe n'abakaikuru bakatahira ofisi ya RDC mu district ya Kikuube kandi wahati bahityaho mwaka konkamagara gabo gakinduka hoga. Amakuru aga gasha kwa gada saba awa Sky TV agenshonga.